So utility thermal energy networks are groups of various thermal energy resources. The whole concept behind the utility thermal energy network is that we're now working to connect multiple independent owned facilities and structures. So in terms of a utility that would typically bring you electricity or natural gas, now they're bringing you a thermal resource.
One of the unique aspects about this project is that we are the first utility to undertake a thermal network within the United States.
Geothermal has picked up a lot of momentum with policymakers, legislators, regulators, and the like, in large part because of its advantages related to its efficiency.
Geothermal is a great technology because first and foremost, it's the most efficient heating and cooling system that you can put in out there. So what it allows us to do is convert a large number of customers over to a system without having a large impact on the electric grid.
A lot of building codes are being changed so that like all new construction, right, has to be electric. On the heating and cooling side, you're going to go with heat pump technology. Where the challenge lies and why these pilot projects are great is because they're on existing infrastructure.
This pilot was a somewhat unique opportunity to kind of demonstrate what some of the alternative technologies are for decarbonizing specifically our gas customers. So it was the result of a rate case to the Massachusetts Department of Public Utilities back in 2020, and it was approved as a demonstration pilot to show that the utility can put in a thermal network system and connect up our customers with the same quality of service that we would provide with, gas, water, or electricity.
And what's important is how we get that electricity, right? If we get that electricity through renewable energy means, solar, wind, hydropower, then essentially we are zero carbon, right? It's all clean energy derived, and geothermal is a platform that allows us to get there.
This is an energy efficiency play first and foremost. You begin to understand why this community is so excited about what the potential can be for this sort of technology.
So the results of the project are going to be critical for the ongoing success of geothermal as a technology specifically for the utility. Really, we're looking at a number of factors here, from the basics like customer adoption, do they enjoy the systems and do they like using them, down to things like economics, how much does it cost to put in, and is this a fiscally responsible thing for the utility to undertake?
You're sitting in Boston, there's wonderful architecture around, we're not going to knock it down. So it's how do you renovate those spaces to make them meet the standards for performance in terms of energy and clean energy that we want. And I think that's why these pilots are really exciting, because those houses are already built, those fire stations are already there. How do we retrofit it and prove to everybody that we can do this and it can be done economically and that's going to work well?